Rob, are Europe aware of the situation of Brazil, the dramatic situation of Brazil?
Most of the people are not aware, so it's very important that we expose this, that we are telling what's going on right now with the suppression and the freedom of speech that's disappearing, and it's very important that people understand that Brazil is not really a democracy anymore.
And how do you see this scandal with Elon Musk, with Twitter files? It shows that the freedom of speech is no longer happening in Brazil.
Yeah, freedom of speech is very important. It's the fundament for a healthy democracy. I always say freedom of speech is not only a right, it's an obligation. We have to speak out. And but not only what we see is that the freedom of speech is under pressure and that people there is censorship already, but also that during the elections there was interference by Morales and
on Twitter
to silence the opposition, and this is really an interference with the elections. And I'm so happy Elon Musk exposed this and joined this fight. He is really amazing. The freedom of speech is the fundament of the West for a healthy democracy.
Final question, and now the world knows that the problem is not Lula. The big problem in Brazil is Alexandre de Moraes. Are you aware that the power of this judge?
Yes, I'm aware. The Lula is just a puppet. And Moraes, he is the architect of evil, I want to say. And but this is also people start to understand this. But let's say on political level, and now we have to make the rest of the people aware, and also the European leaders. Because, for example, Macron, he was 2 weeks ago in Brazil and embracing Lula, and as a big friend, it was almost a honeymoon. They always speak about European values, that we must respect the rule of law, respect democracy. Well, if one thing is clear, there is no respect for the rule of law, and there is no respect for democracy in Brazil, and European leaders should take this into account and speak about it when they go to Brazil.